welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and today, guys, we have a new subscription coming to our channel. Are you guys ready to see what it is we're unboxing today? I'm excited. This is brand new, guys. It is the Melanin Beat Box. Oh, isn't this like perfect for TonyaNicole? Girl, y'all see this melanin? So if you guys want to see what's in October's Melanin Beat Box, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. Okay, my loves, welcome. As I said before, I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel, guys. I really do hope that before you leave, you would consider subscribing and being a part of my bomb-ass subscriber squad. Also, guys, give this video a big thumbs up if you like to see TonyaNicole unbox brand new subscriptions on our channel. Today, guys, we have still some Moscato to drink. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Before we go any further, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now, let's get into the specs of the Melanin Beat Box. Okay, so this box is a brand new box, guys. It actually launched October 17th, their very first box, and they reached out to me and asked me if I would unbox it and show my lovely viewers and subscribers what they have to offer. And I am so excited to unbox this Melanin Beat Box. This, guys, is a Black-owned monthly subscription box that features independent Black creatives and Black-owned businesses. While the box is filled with Black-owned products, it is a service every woman or male can utilize, which I love that. They started this box because they felt that indie Black-owned businesses were being left out of the narrative and deserved to be in the homes across the US and even further. I'm very excited, girl. Like, I'm so excited. They asked me, thank you guys so much for reaching out to me. Like, this is so special. Anywho, guys, it is more than a beauty box. This monthly treat can contain makeup, skincare, hair care, jewelry, candles, or a host of other innovative products. They offer 3 services, guys, and I will have this information down below. Fari, which means queen, that box is $44.99 each month, or you can get the Aida or Aida, which means princess bag, for $22.99. You will not receive hundreds of dollars worth of products, but the box or bag you order will be worth 1.5 to 2 times more than what you paid for it. As a result, you will get to experience 3 to 6 different businesses and or products without the endless internet searches and bottomless shipping costs. All right, and they also have a small online store, guys, where you can find certain necessities. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. I do have a code, I think. If I do, I will put it right here. If I don't, I will reach out to them and ask them for a code to get you guys some money off. So, yes, without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. All right, so up front it says, discover something new. And let's open her up. Ooh, okay, that's what it looks like right there, guys. Y'all know I do love a card, and we get a card. It says, taking care of yourself doesn't mean me first. It means me too. I love that. That's what it looks like. And they do give us a list of products that we received in this box, and prices as well. So we will put all that, y'all know, down below. So let's see what we got. Ooh, alrighty. So first up, it says, please share with some friends. Let's see what it says in here. It's like a little yellow bag, loves. It says Melanin Beat Box. Oh, it just gives me some cards just to kind of hand out to you guys. And they have like their Instagram, Facebook, website stuff on this card, and on the back it gives you a little bit about the owners and phone numbers and stuff like that. I do love that they included this in the box just so that you can spread their name and get their name out there, you know? All right, let's see. I'm gonna pull out this first, and this is handmade with love, especially for you. And it says thank you. It's rolled up like that. Alrighty, so when we open it up, oh my goodness, look at, this is so cute. And y'all see I got my little crown on today, huh? All right, this is what it looks like, guys. And it has a crown on, and on her shirt it says Queen, and it is a mask, because you know with COVID, you need to make sure that you guys are masked up. So this is very, very cute. It is a cloth mask. I do love this. Very, very thoughtful to put in a box, because oddly enough, I don't think I've received any masks from subscription boxes recently. If you have, let me know in the comments, but I don't think I have. This right here, guys, is from, let's see, Texas Mom Star. And this is a reusable face mask, and this retails for $12, my love. Next up, we are pulling out, oh, we have a makeup product, and this is a mascara, guys. Let's see who this is from. This is from Pulse Beauty, and it is a waterproof mascara. That's what the packaging looks like right there. When we open it up, okay, it's just this nice, sleek black packaging with this pink writing on the front, or maybe purple. And when we open it up, let's see the wand. Ooh, okay, that's what the wand looks like, guys. All right, I'll get some use out of this. I always need mascaras. And this right here, guys, retails for only $6. Wow, okay, $6, guys. Next up, we have another makeup product, and this is from Natural Beats Cosmetics right there. And this is is it a liquid lipstick? Let's see. Natural Beats Cosmetics, and this is a lip gloss in Forte, which is the Universal Nude Brown. Alrighty, it is, okay, let's open it up. It smells like candy or like cake mix. That's what the little applicator looks like. I'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. It's a gloss, so it's just kind of sheer like that. It has a little tint of brown to it, and I'm going to put a little bit on my lips. Ooh, it does feel really nice. It is not sticky, and it just adds a nice little sheen to your lips. You can use this as a topper or just like a liner. I like this. Okay, cool. I like that we get makeup. Y'all know I'm big on makeup. So this, guys, retails for $8. Next up, we have from Nubian Grace. Is that who this is from? Yes, Nubian Grace, and these are the royalty wood earrings right here. Oh my God, I love these. Oh, I love a big earring, as y'all can tell. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Look at that. It has royalty written on them, and oh, they're gonna be so cute. Let's put them on. Let me put one on. Alrighty, so this is how it looks. Let me move my hair back a little bit. This is how it looks on, guys. It says royalty right there. These are really cute. I like this. I really do. So let's see what these retail for. And like I said, this is from Nubian Grace, and these are the royalty wood earrings, and these are $9, guys. And I want to show you guys this. It is like well packaged, guys. It comes with a lot of this. It's cushioned. It is well packaged. I love that. So up next, we have this that's bubble wrapped. Okay, what is this? Ooh, just look at that. Comes with a cute little flower on the front. It's so nice and neatly packaged. I love this. So this is a body cake sugar scrub jar and a Shea Moisture whip with argan oil. And it's in the scent lemon lavender. Oh, and they have a little spoon. Let's open this up. Oh, I broke the spoon. I don't know why I twisted it like that, y'all. I'm just such a dud. Okay, let's see. That's okay. So when we take it out, it looks like that, and they have another seal like there. I'm just gonna open it like this. So this is from, these are handmade, all natural. That's what the top says right there, loves. This is the Shea Moisture Whip with argan oil, and it's in lemon lavender. Has a safety seal. Ooh, okay, I do smell lavender. A hint of lemon. That's what it looks like on the inside right there. And let me see. Oh, it's like whipped, like cake icing. Oh, wow. All right, let me seal that up. I love, love, love moisturizers for my skin. When you rub it out, oh, wow, that feels nice. Like, oh, that feels nice. I wonder, and it smells so good. I wonder if this is just for, okay, apply a small to moderate amount of moisturizer to clean, dry skin. Enjoy softer, all natural, and long-lasting moisture. I tell you what, that did, look at that. Look at the difference. Like, it is very, very moisturizing. I do like that. And this one is the body scrub, guys. Let's open that one up. And this is what the top looks like back here. And it says, to use for exfoliation, apply a small amount of the scrub to warm, dampen face or body. Gently rub the area in a small circular motion for up to 2 minutes as tolerated. Enjoy softer, smoother, and easier to manage skin. And let's open this one up. Has a seal, which I love. I love a safety seal. Ooh, this one smells like, I don't know what this scent is. It says essential. Oh, it has, on the bottom here, sugar, coconut oil, mango butter, soy wax, natural clays, essential oils. Okay, that's what it looks like right there, guys. And I'm gonna take a little bit. It doesn't have a strong scent. It's got, I mean, I need to really dig into there, but these little bit of, this sugar right here doesn't feel too harsh on my skin, but I need to dig deep down in there. I think that's why they gave us this little spoon, so we could kind of mix it up and get down in there, but we'll do that later. Let's see what these two products retail for. So these guys are the Essential Hers Body Scrub and Whip. Soothe dry skin and leaves your skin silky smooth for hours. And these retail for $12. Okay, and the prices are not bad at all, guys. Like, really. All right, I mean, I'm kind of digging this box. I mean, I'm digging it. And then last but not least, let me make sure we have one more thing that's bubble wrapped. Ooh, oh, okay. And this, oh my God, y'all, this is a candle. And y'all know how I feel about candles. I love candles. And this is Love Inspired Candle Company. The name of the candle is Black Goddess. And it's a vanilla, cocoa butter, amber, and sandalwood scent. Look how gorgeous this jar and this packaging is. I love, this is more like a, ooh. Oh, it smells good. This is more like a natural type relaxation box. I love this. I do. Oh my goodness. This smells so good, y'all. I get more sandalwood and maybe cocoa. I don't know, but whatever it is, it smells good. That's what it looks like on the inside. I cannot wait to burn this because I am a candle freak. Besides makeup, candles would be very high on my list. I love candles. Oh, and it smells so good. And this, guys, is Love Inspired Candle Company's Black Goddess. You could have gotten one of two, either Black Goddess or Sweet Balance Soy Candle. These are perfectly blended and richly scented to enhance any space, and it retails for $14. Ooh, girl. Okay. All right. Alrighty. Like, okay, y'all. I'm kind of low-key excited about this box. It's just giving me such Zen vibes. I don't know why, but it is. So let's take a drink. Let's do a recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this face mask right here. These earrings with royalty written on them. From Pulse Beauty, this waterproof mascara. From Natural Beats Cosmetics, this lip gloss right here in Forte. From Essential Her, this is a body scrub and a whip moisturizer. And from Love Inspired Candle Company, this Black Goddess candle. So these products right here, my loves. So final thoughts. All right, so I get it now. On the top of the card, it says self-care, the best care. And this box is just giving me a lot of relaxation, skincare, self-care vibes. I am like loving this box. I do love the fact that they are highlighting Black-owned businesses. I do, because anytime you can highlight an indie brand, guys, whether it's Black-owned or not, I love that. Also, you find a lot of hidden gems in small indie companies. You know, these brands are usually small companies that you never will, come into contact with unless you're on Instagram or just searching the internet. It's not a lot of promotion because they are small companies. But I must say that I'm happy that Melanin Beat Box reached out to me to unbox this box for you guys. I am very pleased with the products. I will get use out of every product in here, and I'm happy about it. The value, I don't know what the value is, guys, but I'm gonna add it up and put it on the screen. And I do like the fact that they're upfront and honest to let you know, no, you're not gonna get $150 value, but you are gonna get at least twice the amount that you pay for the box in your box each month. I do love that because y'all know indie brands, they produce themselves, so it's not a lot of mass production, so they're gonna be a little bit more on the pricier side, but their products usually are pretty bomb, honestly. So I'm pleased with this box. I do want to know what you guys think of the Melanin Beat Box and the products that I got, and for this being their first box to launch, I think they kind of knocked it out the park. I think they knocked it out the park. I really enjoyed every product. Let's talk about it down in the comments, guys. What you guys think about the pricing, what you guys think about the products. Like I said, yes, it is a Melanin box that features Black-owned businesses, but everybody can use it. And I do like that they include that in their message as well. So yes, guys, that's all that I have. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing with your girl. I really had a good time unboxing this. I am most looking forward to using this candle. Oh, and this whip is pretty damn moisturizing and good. I am feeling the whip. I like this. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will have all the information for this company down below, guys. So just go on their website and just check them out and see if you're interested or not. And that's all that I have, loves. I will see you all in the next video and in the comments. I love you guys dearly. Bye, guys.